Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries. Today we are going to take a look at how to organize a room from the inside out. What does organizing from the inside out mean? Basically, what that means is when you go to organize a room, you start with what's in your cabinets before organizing what's out in the open. The reason for that is when you organize what's in your cabinets first, and you sift through them, and you get rid of things, that makes room for items that are sitting out in the open to potentially go into your cupboards. And you also want to organize your cabinets based on what you use most often. So here I have one of my kitchen cabinets, and on the lower shelves here I have things that I use every day. And then going up on this third shelf, I have things that I might use maybe a few times a month. And on the top shelf, I have things that I use a couple times a year. So those kinds of things are just what you want to keep in mind when you're going through your rooms, your cabinets, and trying to organize things. And in the kitchen, you want to obviously look at expiration dates and things like that. So those are just some tips for organizing your kitchen, your cabinets from the inside out. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, everyone.